Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Rhino tutorials how to extend surface. For example, I will create simple surface with this tool, surface from 3 or 4 corner points. I will click in here. We create a simple surface. Change visual style into set and I will maximize this view. So if you want to extend this surface, we can use extend surface command. Tap extend surface, press enter. Now you need to select the edge of the surface. I will click in here, this edge, and I will move into here to extend. You can click to apply like this. You can use extend surface and select the surface, like I will click this edge and I will move into here. Or you can make small, click at this point. Okay, that's it, how to extend surface in Rhino with extend surface command. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.